Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to delete Snapchat account. So open Snapchat. Next, tap your profile icon in the top left. Next, tap the gear icon in the top right to open settings. Now once you're here, scroll down to my account until you see delete account and tap on it. So once it loads, enter your password and complete any verification if prompted. Then confirm that you want to delete your account.
Quick one. If you're finding this tutorial helpful, my team and I publish simply and easy to understand step-by-step tutorial daily. And I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to support our channel and of course so that you'll never miss out when we release videos just like this one every single day. Now let's continue.
Alternatively, you can delete it from Snapchat's web portal if you can't access the app. So your account is deactivated for 30 days. So during this time, you can reactivate it by simply logging back in. If you don't log in during those 30 days, your account and associated data are permanently deleted. Though Snapchat may retain some information where required for legal, security, or business purposes. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.